Listen to me. The rules that worked for our parents don't protect us anymore. And pretending they still do might be the most expensive mistake of our lives. Right now, there are people learning more, saving smarter, and stressing less. Not because they're luckier, not because they're geniuses, but because they notice something most people ignore while staying busy just surviving. Money is changing faster than habit. Technology, inflation, automation, new skills, new income paths, these aren't future ideas anymore. They're already deciding who moves forward and who stays stuck in 2026. Most people feel it, even if they can't explain it. You work, you try to be responsible, you do what you were told was the right thing. And yet, every year, it feels like you're running faster just to stay in the same place. That frustration isn't a personal failure. It's a signal. Here's the part no one ever sat down to explain clearly. The financial world doesn't reward defer to own anymore. It rewards awareness. It rewards adaptation. And it quietly punishes those who keep playing by outdated rules. And this is the advice most people never get in time. You don't need to predict the future. You need to recognize patterns early enough to adapt. Yes, that is all. Now let's talk about the future of money. Not the vague, boring predictions you've heard 100 times, but real changes that will shape how you live, spend, and grow your wealth. One day I will help people manage money. Smart taps will act like personal financial assistants, telling you when to save, when to cut back, and helping you avoid mistakes that usually cost hundreds or even thousands without you realizing it. Imagine having someone looking out for your money 20 futures. That's not science fiction anymore. To more people will have multiple incomes, one paycheck won't be enough for most. Side hustles, online businesses, and digital work will become normal. Your next opportunity might be running in the background while your main job continues. Free saving money will be more automated. Money will move into savings automatically. You won't need to think twice. Smart systems will make sure your future self is taken care of. For cash in the bank will lose value, leaving money idle in the bank slowly makes it worth less because of inflation. The old save once left approach won't cut it anymore. Five investing will become simpler. Investing is no longer intimidating. Easy apps let you start immediately without brokers or complicated processes. 6 small investments will matter more. Even tiny weekly contributions will grow over time. Wealth isn't about waiting for a windfall, it's about consistent action. 7 digital money will be normal. Digital wallets, online payments, and virtual currencies will replace cash for most daily transactions. 8 crypto will be used more carefully. Crypto is moving from hype and speculation toward real, practical uses, savings, long-term holding, and payments. 9 real estate will go fractional. You won't need a fortune to invest in property. Buying pieces of real estate will make it accessible for almost anyone. 10 skills will be worth more and agrees. Mastering practical skills like AI tools, online sales, or digital services will often pay more than formal education. The future won't reward waiting, it rewards adapting. Understanding these trends early isn't just smart, it's your advantage over millions who stay stuck in the old way of thinking. Now that you've seen how the first 10 trends are already shaping our financial world, let's dive into the rest, the shifts that will truly define how people live, work, and grow their wealth in the near future. 11 online businesses will keep growing. More people are selling products, services, or content online instead of relying solely on traditional chains. The internet isn't just a tool, it's a marketplace where anyone can create value and earn money around the clock. 12 My education will move online. You won't need school to learn how money really works. YouTube, podcasts, apps, and online courses are becoming the main source of financial knowledge, teaching what schools never did. Instead, focus will shift to freedom, peace of mind, and meaningful experiences. Every dollar spent will count toward your life goals. If 14 debt will be taken more seriously, bad debt will no longer be ignored. People will understand that debt isn't just a number, it's a trap that limits freedom and future opportunities. 15 emergency funds will be a priority. Having money saved for unexpected events will become more important than luxury spending. Security first, luxury later, that mindset will define the financially smart. 16, technology will create new jobs. An automation may replace some roles, but they will also open doors to new ways to earn. People who adapt to these changes will thrive, while those who resist may struggle. 17, passive income will be a goal. Learning money while you sleep won't be optional, it'll be essential. Investments, digital products, or online services will allow people to grow wealth without constant labor. 18, financial freedom will be a common goal. More people will crave control over their time, not just a bigger paycheck. The new standard isn't working harder, it's working smarter and building independence. 19, long-term thinking will increase. Planning for 5-10 years ahead will become normal. Instant gratification will take a back seat to deliberate strategic decisions that shape wealth and lifestyle for decades. 20, people will talk more openly about money. Money won't be taboo anymore. Conversations about salaries, investments, mistakes, and lessons will help people learn faster and avoid costly errors. These 10 trends aren't just predictions, they're signals. Every change represents a chance to rethink your approach to money, build smarter habits, and position yourself ahead of the crowd. The future will favor those who understand these shifts early and act on them decisively. Now that you know the 20 money trends shaping the future, the next question is, how do you use them to your advantage? Because knowing the trends isn't enough, taking action is what separates those who stay stuck from those who build real wealth. Start with AI and automation. Let technology work for you. Let apps guide your saving, alert you to bad spending habits, and even help you invest small amounts consistently. You don't have to be a financial genius. These tools do the heavy lifting. Next, embrace multiple income streams. Think beyond a single job. Side hustles, online services, freelance work, even selling small digital products can create freedom. Each stream you build compounds your financial security, making your future less dependent on any one paycheck. Shift your mindset from short-term to long-term thinking. Small investments, careful use of crypto, and fractional real estate may seem minor now, but over time, they multiply. Every automated saving, every small contribution to your future grows like a seed turning into a strong tree. Value skills over degrees. Learn what the world really pays for. Online business skills, digital marketing, or services people need. Knowledge combined with action is far more valuable than a diploma collecting dust. Focus on conscious spending. Stop buying what doesn't serve your goals. Prioritize emergency funds, pay down bad debt, and understand that financial freedom is more about control over your life than flashy purchases. Finally, open up about money. Share what you're learning, your mistakes, your wins. Conversation is a shortcut to insight, helping you avoid costly errors and inspiring others while learning faster yourself. These aren't abstract ideas, they're stepping stones. If you start applying even a few today, you're already ahead of the curve. The trends aren't waiting, and the longer you wait, the harder it becomes to catch up. Because here's the truth, those who understand and act early will shape their future. Those who watch passively will watch opportunities pass them by. You've seen it, the 20 money trends that are reshaping how people earn, save, invest, and learn. But knowing them isn't enough. What really matters is how you use this knowledge to take control of your financial future. Imagine yourself 5 years from now. Will you be stuck wondering why everyone else seems ahead? Or will you be living a life shaped by smart decisions, multiple income streams, and financial freedom? The difference lies in what you do today. Use technology to your advantage. Let AI guide your savings, automate investments, and protect you from costly mistakes. Build side hustles and online businesses. Small, consistent actions now compound into massive results over time. Think long term. Focus on meaningful investments, growing skills, and conscious spending. Protect your future with emergency funds and careful debt management. Remember, financial freedom isn't just a number, it's control over your time, choices, and life. Talk openly about money. Share your wins, your lessons, and even your mistakes. Every conversation accelerates learning and helps you avoid pitfalls others struggle with. The future favors those who act, adapt, and stay informed. And here's the most important part. The trends we explored aren't distant possibilities, they're already happening. The early movers will get ahead. Those who hesitate will watch opportunities slip by. If you want to understand what financial freedom really means and how to fully apply these trends to your life, the next video is perfect for you. What actually is financial freedom? It will show you how to take everything you've learned here and turn it into a life you control. We are Wisdom Recorded, your knowledge source. Subscribe and share with someone who needs to hear this. Your future is waiting, but only if you start building it today.